Hello everyone, in this short video we are going to see how to do a free sign up on the Lido app. Before doing a sign up, I will give you a quick introduction about Lido App. So Lido App is basically a Google spreadsheet automation tool. It will help you to automate all your spreadsheet manual tasks like sending an email from the spreadsheet data, creating a template from the spreadsheet data, sending a reminder, and extract or creating a PDF from your spreadsheet data. These are all some of the use cases that you can solve with the Lido app, and we are going to explore that in detail in the upcoming videos. So you need to do a free sign up before exploring all those features, and I'm going to walk you through all the use cases one by one in the following videos. So right now I'm on the Lido app, and here click on the sign up page. I have given a link in the YouTube description which will take you directly to the sign up page, and here I would suggest to go with sign up with the Google option, because you can directly give all the necessary permission to extract and import the data from your Google Sheet to Lido app to begin your automation. So click on sign up with Google, and here select your Gmail where you have kept all your Google spreadsheet and do the automation. Then click on continue. So it will take a couple of seconds, and after that you will be redirected to the onboarding page, and you just need to fill this quick info to optimize your onboarding process. So just select the option whichever works for you and click on submit. And that's it, you are done with free sign up, and in the upcoming videos we are going to see how to do an automation using this. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.